Imagine you bought an expensive and powerful RTX 3080 graphics card. Everything was fine, but suddenly the screen went black and smoke started coming out of your PC. And the only option you have now is to throw away your graphics card. Gigabyte made a mistake on their assembly line. Because of this error, their RTX 3080 and 3080 Ti cards are failing in large numbers. In the worst case, the board can literally explode, leaving a hole in PCB, and then you won't be able to fully repair it anymore. But I will tell you how to save it. If you are repair tech or just interested in the technical details, there will be a link in the end of this video to a deep dive into this problem. So, what's the actual problem? Here is the backside of the board. Let's take a look at the GPU power management section under the microscope. The highlighted capacitor C920 is the factory mistake. It shouldn't be on this board. Because of it, the board incorrectly controls one of the power transistors. This one, the third from the top. That transistor runs under higher load, overheats and fails much sooner than it should. To prevent disaster, you need to remove this capacitor. But only on the board revisions that use the UP9511 PWM controller. If you remove it on a board with a different PWM controller, you'll actually create the same kind of problem that wasn't there originally. Ideally, you should also replace the DRMOS on the affected face, because its lifespan is already reduced on these boards, and no one knows how much time it has left. I searched YouTube for videos repairing the power system on Gigabyte 3080s. Found 13 of them. And here comes the question. How many do you think involved replacing that exact overheating third from the top DRMOS? The answer is all of them. Draw your own conclusions. But I have to warn you, don't try this yourself. One of the capacitor's pads has 3 trace connections. When scraping off the capacitor, there's a high risk of damaging these traces. If that happens, the board will definitely fail. If you're not 100% confident in your skills and tools, better take it to a repair shop. And feel free to send them this video, they'll figure it out. As I mentioned, I did a little investigation into this issue and found 3 solid proofs that it's a factory error. But there is a lot of technical detail, so I decided to put it in a separate video, for repair techs and anyone who is really curious.